ladies and jelly babies, and welcome to the first vlog of the Grip and Rip channel. I don't know how to intro this, I literally have no idea. Yeah, I thought I'd do a vlog basically, and actually go out for a day and ride around rather than collect clips from the whole week. So I was looking for a place to go and showcase for this. So I went on Google Maps and I was like, oh, there's landmarks near me, and basically a statue of a sheep came up. That was about it, literally. It was like, would you like to visit this precedented statue of a sheep? I was just like, no, that's not going to be amazing. So instead we're going to a place I go to quite often, because the views are incredible, and that is Burton Dasset Hills. The question is, do I do a lap of town first to see what's going on in town? I think we do. I think we do a lap of town first. See what's going on. See what's going on. We need to go that way. Dude, your windscreen wiper, your rear windscreen wiper, I'm not sure it's supposed to be angled like that. Hey, it's Henry. It's Henry Hoover. Hey, Henry. Hey, come for a ride. Oh, and Santa. Oh, it's such a beautiful day. It's quite cold though, it's like 4 degrees. Oh, I'm still indicating. Oh dear. Wow, really? Oh, it was worth going around town just to see that. Did I just imagine that, or did that guy do a drift? This guy's a lunatic. Go on, drift it. Nearly. Moron. Just a man abusing a mat. In my mind. It was like she had no idea I was there. Good God. That is why I don't like it when people walk, like, you know, when people cross the road while the car is still crossing. That was ridiculously close all my life. Anyway, I think we've seen what there is of town. Next stop, let's go to Burton Dasset Hills. Let's have a look at some views and meet some sheep. Let's see if I can even remember a way up there. I haven't been up there since like the summer, so... Ooh, yes please. Yes please indeed. I would love to have one, thank you very much. Nice offer of you. Drinking this 4.8 litre V8 Maserati wants a race. No, I best not. I'll probably lose. I'll go for an overtake anyway though, because there's nothing coming. Woo! this road. Oh dear me. Yes, he has the right idea. Oh, hang on. This is a CBT, isn't it? It is. Oh, we best leave them alone then if they're on the test. It's not a test at all. Guys, a CBT, if you're wondering, is unfailable. My friend went on a CBT, crashed the bike, and passed. It's unfailable. These guys are not on their CBT actually. They are on their A license. Good luck, guys. See you later. Right, I believe you're supposed to go right at this roundabout. I can't see again. There, that's the hill up there. That's where we're going. There's a small, you won't see it at all, but there's a hill there with a little tower thing on it. That's where we're going. Mad. Oh no, cattle gates. Oh, I hate those things. You always feel like for some reason, even though it's practically impossible unless you turn the bars, you always feel like your wheel's going to fall in between them. Ah, slush and shit on the road. I'm going to drive on this side, it looks nicer. Oh, but there's a car coming. Who on earth has a driving lesson up here? Oh my god, sheep. Many sheep. Let's go left. I don't know why. Oh, there's a rocks and stuffs. This place is sick. It's the weirdest looking hill ever, though. Oh my god, this is a sharp corner. Where on earth are we going then? I don't know. Over to this car park by the looks of things. Oh! Oh! Oh dear. This car park was not a good idea. I think we should go up there to that tower. And avoid those potholes, or try to. A whole new pothole-free world. I jumped that. Fuck my life. How did I forget that was there? Oh my god, my trousers are stuck inside my bike. Oh my god, stop catching on things. Oh, these need to go in the bin. They really do. This is 100% a footpath, but I have been up here before on the bike. You guys will remember with Michael and me sat on that bench for a bit. This view is lit. I'm sorry, it's so mad up here. If you live around this area and you haven't been up here, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Let's go to this tower thing. Oh, it's mental. This is this the highest point of Burton? No, that's the highest part of Burton Desert Hills. Whee! I don't want to go down there. Let's not do that. That's not a good idea. Oh, oh, slippy. Nearly dropped the bike. Oh god. Coming up here is not a good idea in winter. Hey. I hope I don't get a I hope I don't get a puncture, is what I was going to say. Now here's the junction. Sheep! Bah! Please don't run out in front of me. Which one of you guys is Sean? Are you Sean? You're Sean. You guys remember watching Shaun the Sheep when you were little? Oh, that was my childhood in spades. Chilling out with that little homie, Shaun the Sheep. Thieves beware. And it looks just like a road. I'm sure I can go on it. This is where I get myself very, very lost. Fenny Compton. Go on, I don't know where I'm going. I'm doing a fucking U-turn. Oh no, I scared them. I'm sure I can just put it into neutral and just roll down this. And that's what I'm going to do. Oh god, there's another one of those thingies. This looks less like a road and more like someone's house. Let's go back. Hey! No, they don't like that. Not big fans. That's to be said. I might stop here for a photo. Ugh, have to be hard on the brakes. And I'm going to leave it in gear. Look at her, the beast. Old Sapphire, oh, she's filthy. Let's get her into neutral, sit on the back brake, start the engine, into first, mirror check, shoulder check, and stall it. They see me rolling, they hate it. I'm going to stop singing. Anyway guys, my GoPro is running out of battery, so I'm going to end this video here. If you did like this new style of motovlog, then let me know in the comments if you want to see more like this. Smash a like button, I will definitely be doing more of this. There's also a 1-year review of the Suzuki GSX-R 125 that I will be doing, because I've almost owned this bike a year. It's only a month or two away. But yeah, once again, if you did like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!